So today I am going to share something really important with you all. This has really transformed my life. All you need to do is to watch the video till the end. Also at the end of the video, I'll be sharing a really informative tip, so stay tuned. Since my childhood, I've been obsessed with my body and have always kept myself involved in physical activities to keep my body fit. But for the past 4 to 5 years, I'm working out regularly, and by God's grace, my body is also very well maintained and well in shape. The only thing which always bothered me was my teeth. Not because of their shape, but because of their color and condition. The only thing I consider I have lacked in maintaining my body is my teeth. By the age of 20, my teeth became pathetic, and I started avoiding gatherings and always tried to hide my teeth. From my childhood itself, I never brushed my teeth 2 times a day. I used to always run after candies and chocolates, which ultimately developed a bad and addictive habit and hence resulted in a bad set of teeth in my childhood. I know that obtaining a healthy set of teeth requires very dedicated and lifelong care. But since it's never too late to start, I decided to give myself all that I needed for healthy and sparkling teeth. Now I was determined enough to bring about those changes which I always dreamed of. This time, I really wanted to change the way I looked myself in the mirror. I wanted to bring back the older version of myself. And all this was only possible by only one thing, and that was by taking action. I desperately wanted to see some significant results this time. And to achieve them, I started practicing a set of rules which are usually told to us in our childhood. And yep, they were effective to some extent, but did not show any significant results. On my journey to healthy teeth, I learned benefits of drinking water more frequently, as water helped in flushing out all the stuck food from our teeth. It was a great thing. Secondly, I started eating more crunchy fruits, vegetables and nuts, which made my teeth much stronger. Eating fresh fruits always rejuvenate our teeth and ultimately increases their life. And lastly, I avoided acidic food, which has a tendency to decompose our teeth and also makes the odor of our breath very nasty. Brushing 2 times and rinsing my mouth after every meal was the other thing that I gradually started doing. This ensured me that at least I have started walking on the right path. But following only these things was not sufficient to get those sparkling white teeth. After a lot of failed attempts and unsatisfactory results, I was almost about to give up, but thanks to a friend who showed up and gave me a secret to a healthy set of teeth. After learning from my friend about his experiences regarding a dental product, I also decided to give it a try and ordered 6 months of supply. In the beginning, my parents resisted me and even scolded me for ordering this without their consultation. But somehow got convinced to let me try it at least for a month. I ordered them and was desperately waiting for them to arrive since they were the only hope for me. As soon as I received my package, I couldn't resist opening it and starting the course. Counting from the day I received this, I followed the course sincerely for about 30 days and was shocked to see the outcomes. The results were not instantaneous but started appearing as time passed, and almost after 2 months of continuous usage, I felt the real potential of this product. I was feeling stronger gums and brighter teeth. Even the bad odor was now reduced significantly. All this was only because of this amazing product. At that point in time, I didn't stop and continued the dosage for a total 6 months and finally achieved what I was desperately waiting for. At this time, my teeth were the strongest of all time. I had them in my mouth. Also, the occasional toothache which I used to face earlier was now resolved, and I was left with was the sparkling white teeth. I was happy, my parents were happy, and even my friends who suggested this product to me was happy. Now, not creating much suspense, I should reveal the name of this magical product. It's called Steel Bite Pro. Yep, the name itself reveals its capability. These capsules are meant to be eaten if you desire to have stronger, brighter and elegant set of teeth. The Steel Bite Pro is specially made for people like us who have tried and tested every other thing available in the market, but didn't get any results. They are so efficient that you won't require any further assistance or dosage of any other brand. Just have faith in me and try them once. I can assure you that you will fall in love with them. The Steel Bite Pro capsules are synthesized in such a way that any person can take them regardless of their age, gender or medical conditions. It works the same for a 10-year-old kid and a 60-year-old adult. On the brighter side, they are non-GMO and do not contain any kind of toxins or harmful substances. Besides that, they are 100% vegetarian as well. For the best results, I would recommend you to take one capsule daily, at least for 90 days. And within those 90 days, you will definitely experience wonders inside your mouth. If you would be a little aware of the vitamins required by our body for the development of teeth, then I must tell you that this capsule contains all those 23 vitamins, herbs, plants and minerals which are very beneficial for the growth and development of our teeth. As far as its purity and hygiene are concerned, I must assure you that they are completely manufactured in the USA, in sterile and safe location with strict standards of hygiene and safety. Besides that, their manufacturing facility is also GMP certified and FDA approved. Further, for your benefit, if you ever feel that you are not getting any results from this product, even after following its course rigorously, you can easily opt for a refund under its 60 days money back guarantee, and your 100% money will be refunded back in your account without any questions being asked. And if you have watched all the way till here, then I have a surprise for you. I have provided a direct link for the discounted product on their official website in the description box. So you are free to check and order from that official link. So in the end, I would like to thank all guys for watching my video, and if you found this video helpful, please like it and also comment if you have any queries. I'll try my best to answer your questions. Thank you.